Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for outdoor gear business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to start for free, so you can get started free. Now let's get started. It will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard. Here we're gonna design and customize your site. So you have to set up your website in the storefront. So click here and it will take you to the editor page. Here where you're gonna design and customize your site. So the first thing here, you have to go to the settings and go to the templates and select the templates you wanna use here. Okay, for the topic you wanna design. So for the outdoor gear, I need um, okay um, okay the topic isn't here, so I think I'm gonna choose this one here. I'm gonna choose just a random one and simply like this. So the first thing here, you have to change the header in the menu. Go to the site logo and change the enter your company name. After this, you can manage this navigation menu here. You can add the menu item. That's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the design. So in the design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive to anyone can visit your site and attract to your business. So don't forget the simple details like the font, like the size and the color. Okay, all this simple stuff is more important to make your site look attractive. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back. So let's move on now to the next section. So as you see here, add the tagline, add your title, your site title. For example, you can introduce your business to your customers. You can type welcome to our site. Welcome to our site for outdoor gear. Okay, just a simple description like this. Okay, the image you can change it from the browser. Okay, outdoor gear, just simple search and you can get whatever you like from the image here. Okay, so I need just a simple image. I think I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, save it, go back and change it from here. That's it. Here you have to change this description here. Okay, you can change it. You have to enter description about your product or your business, explain more details about your business. Now let's move on to the design. So the design, choose your favorite one, your favorite layout. Don't forget to change the simple details like the title, for example. You can change the font and the description. You can change the size. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section, the store section. So here in the store section, you have to create your own product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. As you see now, click on new products. Here you have to enter your product gallery. So check a picture of your product, add the name of your product. There you have the weight on kilogram, and here you can customize the prices options. And don't forget the description of your product. So after this, after you're done from here, save this and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background, the title, and the product name, the product image, and the product price. So nothing special here, so let's go back and let's move on now to the next section. So as you see here, the title, the subtitle, and here in the description, you have to use this space to talk about your experience or your services, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. So that's it. Now let's move on to the design. Nothing special here, the same thing as normal. Choose your favorite one, and you can change the color of the background. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section. If this image here match with your business, match with the outdoor gear, you can keep it just like this. It's much better. Okay, here the description, add an attractive description that matches the title, and a title switchable for the cover. Okay, so that's it. The design, choose your favorite one. This one better, so I rather choose this one of the background here, and the writing here. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Here you can use this title here, customer reviews. Okay, if you want to add the review text, click here, add the review text, add your name and the rating. The design, choose your favorite one. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section, the delivery information. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal. Okay, the description and the subtitle and the title. The design, choose your favorite one. Nothing special here, the same thing as normal. So just let's skip this. Let's move on to the contacts. So here you have to enter your address business, and enter the exact postal address or the plus code. Also you can add the daily hours. Okay, after this, enter your contact information and the social profiles. And the design, I rather to choose this one here of the background and of the map in the background. It's much better than the others. That's it. Now let's go back. The last section here, the footer section. So enter here your company name for the copyright. Okay, so that's it. After this, if you want to add something new, just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So if you're done from designing this website here, just publish your website. Now your site, it will be published. You can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize the site on Ecwid for outdoor gear business, easy and quick. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.